Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have this Seat Leon Cupra 290 in the workshop for some very track-oriented upgrades. As you may be able to tell, this car is already decently modified. It's got suspension, it's got the wheels, it's got the brakes, but we are adding a couple more bits to it today. So the first thing we're going to be doing is replacing the standard PCV system with the RacingLine catch can. Now we'll get into a little bit more about why this is such an important upgrade for these vehicles, especially if you're using them on the track a bit later in the video. And then the second thing we are going to be doing is we're going to be fitting the Sprogley Motorsport's brake duct system. So this allows more airflow to the front brakes to help keep things cooler on track. So without wasting too much more time, let's get the car in the workshop and start getting it stripped. Okay, so we have the standard PCV block off the vehicle now, and I just quickly want to run you through exactly why the RacingLine oil management system is such an effective upgrade for the MQB platform. So you may know that when you start upgrading your MQB car to take it on track, you put some sticky tires on it, you put some better brakes on it, and some better suspension. What will end up happening is under heavy braking, a lot of the oil will pool into the front of the cylinder head thanks to the standard PCV valve. What happens then is said oil gets sucked through the turbo, which is still spinning on deceleration, gives you a massive plume of white smoke out the back of the car. Some of you may think, just a bit of smoke, not that big of a deal, but actually the end result will be that your engine starves itself of oil and ultimately you end up needing to replace your engine. Now the RacingLine oil management system fixes this issue by having a baffled PCV system, which is CNC'd out of aluminium. This then connects into the catch can, so not only does this keep your intake and your intercooler clean from any oil and mist, but it also then means that you don't get any engine oil starvation while you're pushing your car hard on track, which obviously is the best outcome because that means that you're not going to have to buy a new engine. Now that we have the PCV system off the car, of course we will get the RacingLine oil management system all fitted up. And then we will move on to fitting the Sprogley Motorsport brake cooling ducts, which is another really good mod for your MQB track car to help keep your brake temps down and help you stay on track for longer. Let's crack on. Okay, so we have the RacingLine catch can system fitted to the Cupra as well as the Sprogley Motorsport brake cooling ducts. Now, as we discussed earlier, these are both really good upgrades for this vehicle. The catch can to make sure that your oil is not where it shouldn't be, and then the brake ducts to make sure that your brake temps stay nice and cool and allow you to go that extra bit longer on your track days. So if you have an MQB platform car like this one and you want some of these modifications on your vehicle, be sure to get in touch with our team at RegalAutosport.com, or if you're ready to pull the trigger, head over to shop.regalautosport.com where you can buy these products today. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.